who could the possible candidates in fact be, the ones who have already won the elections with regards to filling in the cabinet positions. Now, Narendra Modi, leader of the BJP-led National Democratic Alliance, will be taking the oath as Prime Minister of India today at 7:15 p.m. at the Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi. This makes Narendra Modi the second person after former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru to become a Prime Minister for a third consecutive terms. Now, leaders, as we had told you, out of around 78 to around 81 leaders, there are some 30 leaders who might be taking oath today as well. Among them, let's take you through some of the important names. Ram Mohan Naidu, a 3-term TDP MP who has won his third consecutive term from the Srikakulam constituency. He is an advocate for climate action and mitigation and secured victory with a 3.2 lakh vote margin. Then we have Pemmasani Chandrasekhar, the winning candidate from the Guntur seat for the TDP, who is the richest contestant in the fourth phase of the elections. And he is active in TDP's non-resident Indian cell activities and is the founder and CEO of the online learning platform, the U-World. Ramnath Thakur of the JDU is the son of former Bihar Chief Minister Karpuri Thakur. He is considered very close to Chief Minister Nitish Kumar and served as the sugarcane industry minister in Lalu Prasad's first cabinet. Again, we have Jayant Chaudhary, the grandson of the former Prime Minister Charan Singh and Vice President of the RLD. This is a critical one, ladies and gentlemen, because remember, he lost from Mathura in 2014 general elections against Hema Malini, and then this time they joined hands with the NDA, and he in fact represents the farmer sentiment to great extent, and that is why his candidature was extremely important to the NDA. Now, Arjun Ram Meghwal, a BJP leader, is the Union Minister for Law and Justice. He won from Rajasthan's Bikaner constituency in the 2024 general elections and maintains a 4-time winning streak from Bikaner. Again, we have Jitin Ram Manjhi, founder of the Hindustani Awam Morcha, and he's a former Chief Minister of Bihar as well. He has been an MLA since 1980 and was elected as the Lok Sabha member from Bihar's Gaya. Chirag Paswan, another very important name, son of the former Union Minister Ram Vilas Paswan, was elected from his Hajipur seat, and he has maintained a record of 100% after winning his party, after winning 5 out of the 5 seats that they had asked within the seat-sharing equation. Now, he previously defeated RLSP's Bhudeo Chaudhary from Jamui in 2019. Sarbananda Sonowal, a BJP leader, is a union minister and former Assam chief minister. He has also served as a member of the Consultative Committee of Home Affairs. So these are some of the very crucial names that we have so far gathered from our sources with regards to who all may be seen in the cabinet, and some of the names that come in are very crucial names from coalition partners TDP and the JDU. Right now, let's take a look at some of these reactions that's come in, the political reactions that's come in with regards to the probable candidates for the cabinet minister roles.
प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी तीसरी बार शपथ लेने जा रहे हैं और लगातार मंत्रिमंडल में शामिल होने वाले नए मंत्रियों को फोन कॉल आने शुरू हो गए हैं। इस वक्त हम रामनाथ ठाकुर जी के घर पे हैं, जो जदयू के सांसद हैं, वरिष्ठ नेता हैं। यहाँ पर भी बधाइयाँ शुरू हो गई है, मिठाई और लड्डू यहाँ पर बांटे जा रहे हैं और खुद जो मंत्री डेजिग्नेट हैं रामनाथ ठाकुर जी, वो पत्रकारों का मुंह मीठा करा रहे हैं। आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई, बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
धन्यवाद।
फोन आ गया है आपको, आज आप शपथ लेने जा रहे हैं, क्या कुछ कहना चाहें?
नहीं आया है, प्रधानमंत्री जी के यहाँ चाय पर भारतीय जनता पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष ने निमंत्रण दिया है कि प्रधानमंत्री जी के यहाँ चाय पर आप आइए।
ये लगभग यही प्रक्रिया होती है और इसी तरीके से जानकारी दी जाती है। अब आप शपथ लेने जा रहे हैं, क्या कुछ प्राथमिकताएं रहेंगी बिहार के लिए, क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
हमको जो विभाग मिलेगा उसमें देखेंगे। प्रधानमंत्री का है वो विभाग देने का विशेषाधिकार है, वो देंगे। उसमें हम कोशिश करेंगे कि बिहार को कितनी उन्नति हो सके, कितनी प्रगति हो सके और पूरे देश में।
इसी वर्ष हमने देखा था कि आपके स्वर्गीय पिताश्री को भारत रत्न से भी सम्मानित किया गया था। अब आपको केंद्रीय मंत्रिमंडल में शामिल किया जा रहा है, खुशी दुगनी हो गई?
हाँ, खुशी तो है ही, जो जिम्मेदारी पार्टी के मिलती है उस पार्टी को, यही हमरे वाला यही नालंदा।
देखिए यहाँ पर बधाइयों का जो तांता है वो लगा हुआ है। बिहार के लिए विशेष राज्य की बात भी की जा रही है, ये सारी चीजें
आज 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 उस पर बातचीत नहीं किया जाए, आज ओथ होने के बाद उसके बाद।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। तो ये आपने देखा रामनाथ ठाकुर जी, जिनको चाय पर बुलावा आया है, और शाम 7:30 बजे जब प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी तीसरी बार शपथ लेंगे तो बिहार कोटे से, जदयू कोटे से रामनाथ ठाकुर को भी मंत्री बनाया जाएगा।